Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Cielo Rojo in what's considered the girl key. We start out in D minor and then modulate to D major. As you may know, I'll have the sheet music up here on the screen for you to follow along, but if you would like your own copy, click the link down in the comments below for your free download. So to start off, we have A, D, F natural. And then the notes are E, D, E, F, F. Let's put that together. Now for me, it sounds a little more pretty if you play it in third position. You don't have the break in the phrase by crossing too many strings. So if you want to play it in third position, this would be the fingering. Okay, then we'll continue with the notes. The notes are G, F, E, D, C, G, B flat, A. Again, nice and slow. And if you're playing it in third position, this would be the fingering. Next measure. The notes are A, B natural, C sharp to D, E, F natural. Again, nice and slow. And for third position, make sure to get high 4 for that C sharp. Okay, then next, E, D. Let's put all of that together from the beginning. 1, 2. Okay, and last part of that phrase. The notes are E, B, G sharp. G sharp is high 3 on the D string. One more time. E, B, G sharp. B natural, F natural, E, F, E. So those two measures. All right, and if you're in third position, okay, now we're at letter A. There's a bit of a meter change, but let's worry about that second. First, let's get the notes. So we have A, D, A, B flat, A, G. A, B flat, G. Again, nice and slow. Next. So we have A, and I would play it with the fourth finger so we're not jumping strings too much. A to F natural. G, F, E, F, G, E. Nice and slow, just that measure. Next part. F natural, D, E, D, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, D. Okay, let's take that whole part starting at pick up to letter A. Nice and slow. Okay, so two more things to consider here at letter A. We changed to 6/8, so you have to get the feel. Listen to the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure to follow the rhythm on that part. The second thing to consider is that some arrangements have the violins playing that part and some have the trumpets playing that part. Whatever you choose, make sure that one is doing that part and one is doing the scale. Which is D minor scale. D, E, F natural, G, A, C sharp, and D. So either the trumpet is playing this part and the violins are playing the scale, or vice versa. Violins are playing the fast part and the trumpet is playing that scale. Okay, so we have that last note from measure 12. D. And we slur that. A, G, A. Then a little scale. A, G, F natural, E, D. Okay, and then after that, it's the same thing. Same notes. And hold this long note with vibrato. Okay, so let's try it with the rhythm. Measure 13, a little under tempo, but with the correct rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're at letter B. The voice comes in, and the important thing about some of these fill-ins, or what we call adornos, is that you have to follow the voice. Sometimes the voice could take forever. Solo, sin tu cariño, and then we follow them, okay? Don't just come in with your part without listening to the voice. So right here, cari is beat 1, ño is on beat 2. Solo, sin tu ca, 1. Okay, so we have tremolo. Loosen up the fingers and the wrist. Okay, you can't have a stiff bow grip and a stiff arm. Bad technique. Loosen up your fingers, loosen up your wrists. Okay, the notes are A, G, F natural, and E. Let's use fourth finger because open E sounds too twangy, and we should be about mezzo piano so we don't overpower the voice. Then letter C. Okay, let's go with the notes. So we have A, G sharp, A. Again, and notice the bowing. Up, down. Next, G, G, F sharp, G. Again, that part. Ready, go. Next, F natural, F, E, F. And then E. Again, fourth finger, so we can use vibrato. Then a little fun part that I added here. The notes are B flat, A, G, F. E, D, C sharp, B flat. A, G, F natural, E, D. Notice the bowing, we're slurring to and then separating to. Again, nice and slow. Ready, and. Okay, one measure after letter D. Let's go with the notes first. We have A, G sharp A, D, F natural A. Again, just that measure. Next, G, F sharp G, C, E, G. Just that measure. F natural, F, E, F. B flat, D, F natural. Just that measure. Then we have E, F, E, D sharp, E. Okay, so all of that part right after letter D, nice and slow. Ready, and. Okay, next, measure 33, we have dotted half note again on E, fourth finger or in third position so we can add vibrato. And then back to tremolo, A, G, F natural, E, now F sharp. Here we changed keys to D major. Right at that key change we have the notes are F sharp, E, F sharp, E, F. Now we're at letter E. The notes are A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. Try that nice and slow. So right there before the 3/4, it changes a little bit. The scale ascends all the way. So A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. Just that measure. And notice the bowing, we've been slurring 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So at the 3/4 we have G, A, D, B flat, A. Again, those 2 measures. Now we're at letter F. We have dotted half notes. G, F sharp, E, and quarter notes. Back to dotted half notes. G, F sharp. Okay, so let's make this part nice and pretty. Use a lot of bow and a lot of vibrato. Third position, I think, would sound more pretty. Okay, and then here we get to the falsetto part. Ya no te acuerdas. So the notes are E, A, C sharp, E, and I like to use the harmonic for A. If you're in fourth position, right, find E. Now your first finger is on E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And if you press very lightly, you get the harmonic. So one more time here at the falsetto part. Acuer. The A is on beat 1. Ya no te acuer 2. Taca taca tan. Alright? So let's play that. Ya no te acuer 1, 2. This. And then sometimes the singer could take a long breath or hold it out very, very long. And then we wait till they say, de aquel ayer. And then we go back to the beginning. Okay, so you repeat back to measure 2. You play all of the song. And now, instead of taking the first ending, now we jump to the second ending, holding out that long note. Then we wait for the voice. De aquel ayer. Okay, so it's a similar part to what we had in the beginning. A, G, A. A, G, F natural, E, D. Again, nice and slow. And it repeats. Dotted half note, D. And F sharp. And D. Okay, so let's try that again, the second ending. And when the singer gets to ayer, yer is beat 1. So falsetto note, de aquel 1. So now you know Cielo Rojo in the girl key, D minor to D major. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.